going to Chatham University in the fall to study sustainability, which is a relatively new discipline within the environmental and business fields. At its simplest terms, it combines economics, business, social, and environmental science. Obviously, the future of a safe, healthy, and sustained environment is one of my top values. So I just wanted to list a few ways that you can help the environment. To start, use reusable water bottles. In addition to buying a reusable water bottle, use a reusable straw. That is a worthy investment because scientists estimate there are 7.5 million plastic straws polluting U.S. shorelines, and anywhere from 437 million to 8.3 billion plastic straws on shorelines around the world. And plastic straws are just a small percentage of more than 8 million metric tons of plastic that end up in the ocean each year. In addition to making an effort to use less plastic, that would reduce a huge contributor to Earth's overall pollution problem. Next, when it comes to clothes, everyone should be more conscientious of what to buy new, the quality of your purchase, and what makes sense to get secondhand. As much as everyone enjoys new clothes, it takes 2,720 liters of water to make one cotton shirt. Furthermore, the manufacturing of clothes accounts for 20% of global industrial water pollution, and over 60% of all clothing ends up in landfills the same year it is bought. So if we bought secondhand or bought fewer fast fashion pieces, we would save a lot of water and pollution. In addition to the environment, a lot of dyes, chemicals, and fabrics they use to make cheap clothing are harmful to humans, so it would be best to buy higher quality, ethically sound clothing. Lastly, I wanted to talk about the effects of big factory farms. To start, a shift in diet can lower greenhouse gas emissions much more quickly than shifts away from fossil fuel burning technologies that emit carbon dioxide. The turnover rate for most farm animals is 1 or 2 years, which means the decreases in meat consumption would result in almost immediate drop in methane, CO2, and oxide emissions. The turnover rate for cars and power plants, on the other hand, could be decades. So with a vegetarian diet or trying to eat less meat would result in less water pollution and more water itself, because pollution of our waterways are caused by animal waste, antibiotics, and hormones entering the water cycle. And it takes more water to raise and produce livestock than it does to grow vegetables and wheat. In conclusion, livestock farming can lead to overgrazing, causing soil erosion, desertification, and deforestation, which increases greenhouse gas emissions by releasing carbon previously stored in the trees. It is also a major driver in the loss of biodiversity. By choosing a vegetarian diet and being more aware of our consumption and production of plastics and other pollutants, individuals can dramatically change the direction in which humanity is headed. Pollution and climate change are things that are affecting the world today and will continue to change life if we stay on the downward slope that we are going in. With my major, I intend on helping society so we can take little steps towards a positive future.